Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Now this first one involves a farmhouse inspired DIY. Looks like they are making some type of sign for their baby nursery that says Wild Child. That is so cute. So they used a stencil for this. And it looks like they did a black and white design, which is definitely a classic. I love the way that turned out. And then they also framed it. Very cool. Next up, so we have someone using some Jenga pieces for the next one. Now you can use the wooden Jenga pieces, the knockoffs, any way that you desire. There's so many different ways that you can play around with those little pieces. And they're all the same size, so they're easy to work with. They're already pre-cut. And it looks like this person is making some type of plant stand or planter. You could even do a table tray if you wanted to. So it looks like they're actually using this as a candle holder. Oh, that's cute. They're kind of short too, so she did put like the little wooden pieces at the bottom. Very nice. Okay, so the next DIY involves some photo frames. You can actually grab these from the dollar store. Not sure if that's where she got hers, but you can definitely grab some from the Dollar Tree store, Dollar General. Now with this particular DIY, I don't think she's gonna be spray painting this. So this would be a very beginner-friendly project. You don't have to worry about spray painting or fooling around with paint or anything of that nature. And it looks to me like she might be making a lantern. I've actually seen several different DIYs doing the lantern from photo frames over the past couple of weeks. Seems to be kind of trending right now. Oh, those are some beautiful flameless candles. And then she does add some little pine cones at the bottom, really playing into like the fall decor. Ooh, look at this gold vase with the gold leaves. Okay, she and I have very similar styles. I also have a thing for lanterns, so this is a really cute project idea. I can't get over the way that they are making these flameless candles look now. They look so beautiful and realistic. And this is such a simple project. All right, so moving on to the next one. Woo, she's got some long nails. So we have some glass vases here. The E600 glue. So it looks like she's going to be gluing these together. Now I really like the way that these are shaped. I wonder where she picked these up from. So she goes in with the spray paint after gluing them together. You probably want to make sure that they dry first a little bit. Oh, so she spray painted them white and then she's going in with the gold tape. Wow, look at those nails. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is another like fall kind of inspired DIY. Now, obviously you can change these out no matter what the season. They're gold and white, so you don't have to worry about that. But I love these glitter pumpkins. Those are so pretty. Okay, so moving on to the next project. So it looks like they have some paper here that they folded. Now this is kind of like a Christmassy kind of DIY. The papered stars are very popular. You can do like the fairy lights around them, hang them up. So pretty. You can put these on your Christmas tree as well. Okay, so they're showing us their folding technique. Now, if you do know how to fold, this would be a pretty project, a pretty simple project to replicate. It would be like a little like fun project to do, especially with like your kids. You can just be like, oh, we're making our own Christmas decor. Oh, I love the fact that you put it on a stand. That is really cool. You can hang them up as well. All right, so we have another kind of, I think this is from the dollar store here. So let's see what she does. Oh yeah, this is like another like farmhouse inspired project. Oh, that's cute. Alright you guys, so I hope you did enjoy checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.